Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook business page. All right, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and tap on your profile right here at the top right or at the bottom right if you're using iOS. Tap on it. Now in here, just go ahead and scroll down until you find this section. If you can't see it, as you can see, tap on see more and you'll be able to find pages. Just go ahead and tap on it and wait for it to load. Now once it loads, just go ahead and tap on create right here at the top left. Create and hit on get started. Now just go ahead and type in the page name, for example, my business sample. Now hit on next. Now categories right here, it could be a coffee shop. All right, coffee right here, coffee shop. Now hit on create. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, there'll be a pop-up. As you can see here, you've created your page. Now it asks what best describes your goal, right? Could be promote your products or services or create content and connect with fans. Let's go ahead and select the first one and hit on continue. And here in bio, you're gonna want to put in here, like for example, we sell high quality coffee. Smiley. Here in contact, if you have a website, just go ahead and paste your website right here. Put your email, phone number, location, city or town, and zip code, of course. Here in hours, if you want to, if it is 24/7, go ahead and tap on always open, or you can go ahead and select standard hours. Tap on this one and you will be landed to a different page. All right. For example, you're open Monday, Tuesday up to Friday. Now you're going to want to change the time right here. As you can see, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can just go ahead and tap on the time right here. For example, you will close at 10:30 p.m. Hit OK. As you can see, it changed. Just go ahead and hit on done. And after that, just hit on next. Now in here, you may want to upload your wallpaper right here if you want to. Say, for example, this one right here and the profile or the profile picture of your particular business. Say, for example, this guy. Let's just imagine that he's taking a picture right here besides the coffee shop. All right. And in here, edit action button. Let's go ahead and tap on it. As you can see, you can go ahead and try it. Now, when someone sees your particular page or business page, they will also see a button, right? I don't know if you've noticed that. Say, for example, this is your page. They'll be able to see a button that they can tap on. Say, for example, that button is for messages, all right? So when they tap on it, they will automatically be landed on your messaging section, all right? Let's just go ahead and tap on next, all right? Save. Once done, hit on next. Now in here, you can invite your friends or Facebook friends to like or follow your page. If not, just go ahead and tap on next. Next. If you want to get notifications about page notifications on your profile, go ahead and enable this slider. If not, you can turn this off, but I would highly suggest that you turn this on. Also, marketing and promotional emails about your page. This is optional. If you want to, just go ahead and turn on the slider. All right. Once done, just hit on the done button. And here, as you can see, it automatically switches to the particular business page. And there you have it. All right. As you can see, you can just go ahead and edit your profile right here or business profile. All right. If you want to, you can go ahead and go to your professional dashboard right here, explore on your own. As you can see, you have these good stuffs right here. All right. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.